pot bottom.
Beautiful people out there, pot bottom kitchen again. Already, and we've been capturing these buildings, and now we're still in Port Antonio. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Yes, now you're in Courthouse Square of Port Antonio. Alright, and now we're looking at one of the original building, probably is one of the oldest building, and this is this building right here. This building is the Grasset, if you can remember, guys. The Chamber of Commerce used this building right here, and this building is Grasset. Mr. Grasset, lawyer Grasset, building this building here. Okay, now there's a different lawyer running this place, I reckon. Yes, but this is lawyer Grasset, Mr. Grasset place right here, so if you can remember back in the days, throwback videos. Okay, throwback style we're doing, and this is one of the buildings that we can never miss out when you come to Port Antonio. This is one of the oldest building in Port Antonio. You see the design on it, you can never go wrong on that. You can see the design on this building here. This is the good old Grasset building, Mr. Grasset place. Alright, I don't know, well, he died now, yes, and probably other entities taking over this building doing them thing. But there's a lawyer office here still. There's an ex-lawyer, there's a lawyer here still doing his thing, I reckon. Okay, yes man, and this is the Chamber of Commerce use this building here. Okay, so you know behind Grasset building, you know what we normally have behind Grasset building when you come around this side of the building. Yeah, this is the Town Talk area. Alright, remember Town Talk? Yes, we always talk about Town Talk. Right, I say it there. Remember that? But listen now, we are carrying someone, nobody no member. Okay, so guys, if you remember back in the days, we have Miss Joyce. $2 give her food, no brother, with everything. You know? Alright. Alright, so here what happen now? We call it, see some man who know the thing a long time, while tell the thing them. Where you say, boss, how much you spend? $3. Get any amount of food you want. $1 food you get, here you go. And you have 10 cents or 5 cents, you get juice, lemonade. Yes now, but here what with that Town Talk place, that the general, let me tell you what I'm going from here from a distance. Yeah man, right there so. So here what happened if back then, maybe I talk about throwback, you know, this is called about throwback. Man, you hear the man, I tell you the thing already. You come at this area, you have Miss Joyce. The man, people remember Miss Joyce, you know that area. This was the door. Okay? This was Miss Joyce's door. And when you come on Miss Joyce, you know a pair of food you get. You spend $2, $1.50 you spend. And you get dumpling. You get yam. You get callaloo and ackee and saltfish. Whatever you want. Chicken back and ackee. Chicken and dumpling. Anything you get in a one meal. And then Miss Joyce said, give me 10 cents or 20 cents and you get one big glass of juice. Alright? But you remember guys, Miss Joyce, you remember Johnny Cool guys, you remember Johnny Cool. Johnny Cool usually great at coconut and Miss Joyce, you know. You know, I wouldn't say mad. Just one of them unfortunate man. You know? Yeah man, Johnny Cool usually do Miss thing to Miss Joyce place. Yeah man, Johnny Cool usually great at coconut and Miss Joyce place and go out in foolishness. But guess what happened? The sweetest food. Miss Joyce's food used to be the sweetest food butter. And we can tell you, and ask you, we know. Well, this is the same original building. This is the same building, as we say, it's throwback. Throwback videos, and this is what happened back in the days. Yes, and as we know with that, Town Talk. Town Talk used to be one of the top garment store in Port Antonio. When I say top, I mean top. #1 garment store. And them sell everything from a pin to an anchor right inside here. So anything you want to wear, you come inside Town Talk, right to that area, sir. Okay? As we say, throwback. And this is what we have in Port Antonio. Yes, man, we're highlighting these old first-time buildings. This is a Grasset building, if you remember. Lawyer Grasset building. Yes, man. Alright? And away from that, over there, you come from lawyer's office. The good old courthouse, now is a different entity, as we always say, is right there. Entity can't wrong. When him take up this building here. Yeah man, that's at the NCB Commercial, National Commercial Bank is located right here so now. Alright? If you know, right there. That's it. Right there, so in a nutshell. In a nutshell, you have it right there, so now. Yes, man. That is the original courthouse building. Yes, man. Brick building, you know. One of the old building in Port Antonio. Still standing. A lot of renovation take place, but it make it look the same way. And it's so beautiful. It's awesome. Okay, away from that. Over that area now used to be the Anna Theatre. Throwback, guys. We're going throwback videos we're doing. Yes. Now this is a big building now. Something totally different from what we know that was here. Over here, so used to be now, yeah. Used to come in this area. You come up this road. The gas station always be there. Always was there. Was something else there. It wasn't Ruby's. But when you come on this side now. When you come on this side now. This one now used to be what? Anna Theatre. This used to be the Anna Theatre building. Right or so. Okay. Yeah. This used to be the Anna Theatre building. Right there. Now we call it the Royal Mall. Yes. It happened to be the Royal Mall. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is the Royal Mall now. It used to be the Anna Theatre, if you remember back in the days. When we said throwback, we're talking about throwback. See? It used to be the this used to be the great Anna Theatre. Yes. And we used to do our thing right here inside this building here. We talk about tonight at Valentine's night we have a triple header now. We have Sunday we have matinee, we have first show and second show. So we have triple header. Used to be the Anna Theatre right here, so throwback style with the see there? But now it's a different building. We call it the Royal Mall of Port Antonio. We call it Farmy Building, the local says. Yes? As we know. And there we go. Right here. Remember back in the days you used to have back gate used to be right here, so. Yeah, man. And you have one dumb man used to run the place here. Yeah, man. Dummy used to run over here, so. And now is a different story. We have the Royal Mall happening right here. Beautiful building. So much different. Yes, but it's still all the parish together. One of the buildings that hold the parish together. As we say, it's throwback style. And we're doing it throwback. Okay? We'll talk to you. Give me a minute. We'll grab another building around the corner. Okay? Pat Batam. When you're relating to theatres in this area, we have a theatre we call the amphitheatre. Yeah, this is the amphitheatre in Port Antonio. Right? This is where, when I used to go to school, I used to come and hang out, you know, and give trouble before I go home on my yard. Right, so. Yeah, man. Every say we are look girl. Right, so we come and say we are look girl. Naturally, every school used to come around us to come chill out and relax them head. Every school kid. Yeah, Titchfield, Bournebrook. Then back to the days that was secondary. Port Antonio secondary. They become comprehensive and then it become high school. All kind of something going on. But what may I say now, those were the days, man. The amphitheater. And the reason for the amphitheater is like this now. It's uniquely designed with theater settings. Just like you're going to a theater to watch any form of movie or shows and whatever. This is what it looks like. This is the amphitheater, we call it. Yes? And this is what we say throwback. This is what a theater look like outdoors. Okay, and this is the Port Antonio Amphitheater. Yes, man, and this is what used to happen here. Used to have shows, stage shows, yes, every little thing. The 4-H club used to have a lot of events over this place here, inside the amphitheater. And it's still here. And you know, all these cultural things what we used to do, used to be right in this area. As we said, the amphitheater, right here. Okay? The building is still here, everything is still here. You know, and they're taking the colors of the Jamaican flag too. Okay, as we say, throwback. This is one of the throwback buildings that we do in Port Antonio, that we have in Port Antonio, I will say. I may say, yes. Yeah, this is throwback right here. Okay. Yes, man. Used to be the spot Yeah, man. And the library service is just next door on your right hand side. Guys, this is a little story about amphitheater. Give us a story. Okay, and we share it with your friends and family. Okay. Yes. Throwback. You know, remember with our market lane. Okay. That area used to call ghetto. You know that area. Alright. So back in the days when we talk about throwback now, listen, yes, so how you call now preke. This is the first, to be honest with you guys, fry when we know about. You know about no more fry. This is the first fry when we know about. A preke place, right there, sir. Yasso now was the building here. Try remember now. Yasso was Hollywood. Guys, you know remember them a place, huh? This a place that was preke. And then in the market lane, remember you know, in the market lane. Then from preke now you find Hollywood. Yasso was Hollywood. If you remember back in the days. The place we used to call it now, round the clock. Yes, right at that building we used to call now round the clock. Now it's a different business going on. There's a beauty shop going on there now. But it used to be round the clock. Hollywood. Preke. In this area so now. Yeah man. If you can remember guys. Check it out. You remember good. Yes so now. This is the cross building, the Crosset building. Right outside, the big Crosset building. One of the oldest buildings in Port Antonio. This building right outside now, as we are going to show you now. This building. 1909, this building was established or built. Yes? Yes, man. As we said, right in this area right outside now, was round the clock. If you guys remember, you walk in this building now, we have round the clock right here, so. No door, no window. And them do them thing. Round the clock. And you come out of that building right here, so now. Right, you have a feature around on the side and you can know where I go on. Pat Bottom. Building here is one of the oldest buildings in Port Antonio, to be honest with you. And it's on the main street of Port Antonio. Yes? On West Street. And down here, so, guys remember, the head office at JPS used to be down in this area. Right here, so. If you remember, but that building is one of the oldest buildings in Port Antonio. Right here. Okay? Coming around this side now, you have the Chinese, them run this part here. This area now, you have the Chinese, them around this area now. We call it the Golden Happiness building right here. I used to get my first job right in this building right here. As we said, throwback videos. We are in Port Antonio and we're doing throwback buildings. All these long ancient buildings right here in Port Antonio. Back in the days, right here, right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? Pat Bottom Kitchen. Throwback.